patient has a mass on his or her kidney. Doctor tells the patient that, you know what, this mass may be cancerous, but we might want to wait and see or get a second biopsy and have a better idea. Patient says, nope, I want to go ahead and have this removed. Go ahead. Doctor goes ahead, removes the mass. The mass turns out to be not cancerous. Is this a slam dunk medical malpractice case? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And what I just explained to you was a recent call that we had into our office. And what it was is essentially this individual had a mass on their kidney, and then they went ahead and they had cryo done, they had some biopsies done of the mass, and they got a second opinion doctor to take a look at some things. The second opinion doctor said, you know what, it might be cancerous, but maybe we should wait and see. We can go and we can have another biopsy done, one that's more conclusive, to take a look at everything. And the patient says, no, I don't want to do that. You mentioned the word cancerous. I don't want to take any risk. I want to have it removed. Well, they do go and they remove it, and it comes out that it was not cancerous. And the issue here is what we're talking about is the standard of care. And the standard is, what would a reasonable and prudent doctor do in the same circumstances as the doctor in your particular case? And in this case, the second opinion doctor and the doctor who removed the mass, these doctors told the patient that, look, we can take the wait and see approach. In other words, they gave the patient all of the options that were present and all of the things that the patient could do to make an informed decision as to what should be the actions next. The patient goes ahead and makes an informed decision and then comes back and there's a bad result. Guys, remember that just because there's a bad result, that does not necessarily mean that we're talking about medical malpractice. So in a kidney or renal cancer misdiagnosis case, you have to remember that we've got to look at everything. We've got to take a look at, what did the doctors do? What did the doctors tell you? What steps did the doctors take? Was a biopsy done? If there was a biopsy, was it conclusive? If there was no biopsy done and the patient went and elected to have the mass removed, did the doctors talk to the patient about this? Was there a cryo surgery that was done previous? Again, guys, all of these things are very important when you're looking at a cancer, a renal cancer, or a kidney cancer misdiagnosis case. Now, I realize you probably have more questions. You may be going through the same thing and you're trying to figure out, you know what, did my doctor tell me everything? Did my doctor follow the standard of care in regards to my renal cancer situation? Well, if you have these questions and concerns and your matter happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up that phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to talk with you and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we'll see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.